Hello, good morning o good afternoon or good evening. Welcome sa ating channel, lalo sa mga bagong subscriber o sa mga kaka-open lang ng channel ito. I hope you will stay in this channel to listen and to watch and to learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, Matuto Dapat. This is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. Our topic today is markup versus markdown. So, meron tayong the plus minus the price. Okay? Kasi, napakahalaga, no? Paano po ba natin i-determine ang selling price? Especially sa mga nagbi-business dyan, no? So, tingnan po natin. Definition, markdown is the reduction in the product selling price, SP, no? Whereas the markup is the amount added to the product's cost, okay, to determine its selling price. Okay. So, ang markdown, madali natin makita, no, if we have the tag price, uh, halimbawa, bibili ka ng isang product sa isang grocery store, then nakita mo na may tag price yon. Yung iba, nakalagay doon yung previous price. Halimbawa, yung isang product, halimbawa, damit, no, sa isang department store, nakalagay doon, halimbawa, ang damit, halaga ng damit before ay 500. Tapos kino-cross out nila, nilagay na lang nila new price ay 400. So ibig sabihin yung original price bumaba. So ang tawag natin nun nag-markdown siya. Okay? Naglagay ng markdown kaya bumaba yung original price. Whereas ang markup naman, yung cost of the item, so halimbawa binili niya yung damit halagang 200. Ngayon ibebenta niya sa halagang 300. So nag-mark up siya ng 100 o nagpatong siya doon para ang purpose doon is siyempre kumita siya. Nagkikita siya ng 100. Okay? So yun yung markup, no? Yung cost dinagdagan para ng amount, ang tawag natin doon ay markup, tapos yun yung magiging bagong selling price niya. Okay? So ang purpose ng markup para kumita. Ang purpose naman ng markdown ay to attract customers. No, makita nila na bumaba yung price, oh. So bibili tayo diyan. Okay? So yun naman ang purpose ng markdown. Okay? So we have the formula here. So you have SP equals OP minus OP times the MD percent. SP or pwede naman natin i-derive ng SP equals OP times 1 minus MD percent. Pwede rin OP equals kapag solve natin to find the original price, the selling price divided by 1 minus the MD rate, no? Or to find the MD or the markdown amount is OP minus SP. Ang atin, meron din tayong markdown rate is equal to markdown divide the original price times 100. Okay, meron din tayong to find the OP is MD or the markdown amount divided by markdown percent times 100. Okay. So, yun po yung mga code natin, no? SP, the selling price, OP, the original price, MD, the markdown amount, and MD percent is the markdown rate. Okay? Example 1. A t-shirt in AB department store is displayed with a tag price of 200 pesos. Okay. This price is formerly 250 pesos. How much is the markdown amount and what is the markdown rate? So yan ang sinabi ko kanina, mayroong tag price, tapos nakita natin na yung original price ay 250, tapos naka-cross out, nagiging 200 na lang. No? So, given natin the selling price, the new selling price is that 200 pesos now. The original price supposed to be ay 250. Yun po yun. Kaya lang nagkaroon ng markdown. Solution for markdown. Okay, kasi yung unang hinahanap natin ay markdown. So, markdown is equal to the original price minus the selling price. So, 250 minus 200. So, the markdown ay 50 pesos na. So, yun yung bumaba na amount. No? So, the markdown amount is 50 pesos. Now, next, solution for markdown rate. So, this markdown na 50 pesos, what is the equivalent rate nito in terms of the original price. So markdown rate is or percent is equal to MD divided by original price times 100. Okay, so you have 50 divide 250 times 100. So the 50 divide 250 ay 0.2 or 0.20 times 100, so that is 20%. Right? So that is the markdown rate, 20%. Example 2. The 80 Guitar World sells their product at 15,400 pesos. You learned that this sold now at 35% off. So bumaba, no, narinig mo na bumaba ng 35% kasi originally 15,400 yon. Hindi gusto mong bumili ng gitara and then nalaman mo na ay bumaba ng 35% ngayon. So pupunta ka dun sa store, no? How much you pay at the counter if you buy the guitar now? How much you save? Okay? So, tingnan natin ang given, ang original price ay 15,400 pesos. The markdown rate ay 35% or 0.35. Now, titingnan natin yung selling price or magkano yung babayaran mo sa counter ngayon. SP equals OP times 1 minus the markdown rate o the selling price equals the original price. So, that is 15,400 times 1 minus 0.35. So, 15,400 times 0.65. The answer is, the selling price is 10,010 pesos. No? So, you paid at the counter. So, babayaran mo sa counter during the time ay 10,010 na lang. Diba? So, bumaba. Parang 15,400 naging 10,010 pesos na lang. So, sunod, how much you save? Okay, so tingnan natin ang markdown amount. So, OP minus SP. So, 15,400 minus 10,010. And the markdown amount is 5,390 pesos. Amount you save. So, yun yung, ibig sabihin yun yung na-save mo, no? So, ang laki, no? That's 35% of the original price. Okay? Example 3. The cell phone unit has a markdown of 500 pesos, which is 10% of the original price. How much is the original price and the selling price? Okay. So, yung cellphone, mayroong markdown amount na 500 and then yung rate na yon ay 10% of the original price. Okay. So, what tanong dito, how much is the original price and the selling price now? Solution for original price. So, original price is equal to the markdown amount divided the markdown rate times 100. So, 500 divide 10. So, dito, ang ating markdown rate ay 10%. So, gamitan lang natin siya ng 10. No? Hindi natin i-convert ito decimal kasi naka-multiply tayo ng 100 pa rin. No? So, dapat yung whole number lang gagamitin natin. No? Okay. So, 500 divide 10 times 100. So, the original amount or the original price of this cellphone is 5,000 pesos. Okay? Kaya 10% ng 5,000 ay 500. So, the selling price now, so selling price equals the original price minus the markdown amount. So, 5,000 minus 500, so 4,500 na lang yung selling price ng cellphone. No? Okay? Punta naman tayo sa markup. So, markup, ito yung mga formula natin. SP equals C plus C times markup percent. Okay? Ayan, so mga plus naman to. SP equals C plus, times 1 plus markup percent. Okay? Ayan. So, yun po yung, meron tayong 6 na binibigay na formula. No? Yung mga derived na formula lang naman yan. Iniikot-ikot lang natin. No? To find the markup, the selling price, the cost. Okay? So, ang ating SP, the selling price, the C is the cost price, MU is the markup amount, and MU percent is the markup rate. Okay? Example 4. A retailer store mark up 40% on the computer set. Determine the markup amount and the selling price is if the cost of this computer product is 25,000 pesos. So, ang given natin, ang cost niya ay 25,000 pesos. Ang markup rate is 40% o 0.40. Okay? So, magkano ang selling price at magkano ang markup amount? Solution for the selling price. So, selling price equals the C times 1 plus the markup rate. So, 25,000 times 1 plus 0.40, that is 25,000 times 1.40. So, the selling price now is 35,000 pesos. So, yun po yung selling price ng computer set. To determine the markup amount, magkano yung pinatong o dinagdag, no? So, markup amount is the selling price minus the cost. So, 35,000 minus 25,000. So, the markup amount is 10,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, mayroon siyang 10,000 tubo kapag binili yung computer set na yun at the 35,000 pesos. Okay? Example 5. A retailer store bought 1 can of sardines at EST department store at 23 pesos. He resells it at 30 pesos. So, binili niya ng 23, yung isang latang sardinas, benta niya 30. How much is the markup amount and the markup rate? Yung cost niya ay 23 pesos, yung selling price ay 30. So, solution for the markup amount. So, markup amount is selling price minus the cost. So, 30 minus 23. Of course, mayroon siyang markup amount na 7. So, ibig sabihin yun yung tubo niya doon sa isang latang sardinas, no, na binili niya ng 23, bininta niya 30. So, mayroon 7 siyang tubo. Yung rate naman nito, the markup rate ay 7 divided by 23. So, markup amount divided the cost times 100. So, 7 divided 23, and that is 0.3043 times 100 or 30.43%. No, yun po yung dinagdag niya na amount, no, na rate doon sa lata ng sardinas. So, 30.43%. Example 6. A 55 o 55 inches flat screen TV sells at 38,000. If this price has a markup rate of 30%, okay, how much is the cost and the markup amount? Okay. Yung flat screen TV na 55 inches, naka-sale siya ng 38,000. Kung sakali, no, sabi dito, kung ang price nito ay mayroong dagdag na 30% na doon sa cost, magkano yung cost at magkano yung dinagdag na amount? Okay. So, ang selling price ay 38,000. Ang markup rate ay 30% or 0.30. So, solution for cost. To find the cost, selling price divided by 1 plus the markup rate. So, 38,000 divided by 1 plus 0.30. So, 38,000 divided by 1.30. So, the cost is 29,230.77. So, that is the original cost. So, binili niya yung flat screen TV ng 29,230.77. Okay? Tapos, bininta niya ng 38,000. Okay. So, magkano yung markup amount? So, markup is equal to the cost, okay, times the rate, no? Yan. 29,230.77 times 0.30. So, the markup amount ay 8,769.23. Okay. Pwede naman nating i-minus natin selling price minus the cost. We come up the same answer. Alright, so this is your activity for markdown. Okay, number one, the SRP for the electric guitar is 12,900 pesos. And you have just learned that a local retailer store is selling the guitar at for 30% off. What is the selling price for the guitar and how much you save? Number two, the reseller acquires an Apple iPad for 30,000 pesos. However, during a special promotion, this gadget was advertised at 6,000 pesos off. What is the markdown rate in this case and how much is the selling price? Number three, the new selling price for a bottle of wine is 290 pesos, which is less than 25 pesos from the original price. How much is the original price? Okay, a rose plant was offered with a markdown of 15 pesos, which is 25% of the original price. How much is the original price and the selling price of this plant? Number two, solve the following markup problem. Okay, number one pack of banana chips was bought from a department store at 75 pesos per pack. A buyer resells these banana chips at 100 pesos per pack. How much is the profit he earned and at what percent is the markup rate? Number two, the markup rate of a pair of shoes is 25% of the cost if the selling price is 1,000 pesos, 1,500 pesos. How much is the cost and the markup amount? Okay. The cost of a box which contains 6 kg of grapes is 750 pesos. The vendor resells the grape at 200 pesos per kilogram. If all grapes were sold at this price, how much is his profit? At what percent did the vendor use for markup? Number four, an apple was sold at 40 pesos each. The vendor used 25% markup rate for this price. How much is the cost of each apple and how much is the markup amount? Okay? So thank you very much and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. I hope you learn from this topic. Thank you very much. God bless you.